Yun guys, hello! What's up? Good afternoon! Happy Friday sa lahat. Ayan, miss ko na to. Oops, sorry about that. Ayan. Let's toy unboxing time guys. Grabe. So, hello. This is Big Superhero Peter Sena. What's up you guys? Okay, tayo ay kamusta na guys? How is your weekend or how's your Friday? Ayan. Okay. Ba't na-stuck yung ating live? Okay, here we go. Ayan. Ayan guys, of course, nakita nyo na yung aking newest toy collection and based from the background music. Ayan. Ayan lang konti. So guys, actually matagal na sa akin itong si Billy or the Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger. Parang 2 months ago nakuha ko na to. Sorry. So this is the Lightning Collection. Of course by Hasbro. Ayan. So buksan natin to. Thank you sa mga nag-like. Thank you so much for joining today. So yeah, I know it's 2 months pero na nabubuksan. Siyempre gusto kong alagaan. So, ayan. So, here we go. Pakita guys yung box muna. I like the box art. Ayan yung si Billy, Blue Ranger. And ito yung makita natin mamaya. Okay? Alright. So, I got this from a toy seller. Medyo kalala naman siya. And, meron siyang toy store sa, sa Pampanga. I think I got this from Pampanga. Yan. So, sa Shopee siya nakita. So, guys, this is very rare na figure. First is, mahirap hanapin si Billy right now. So, naka-tsamba tayo ng konti, no? In finding Billy. Okay, so let's open the box. Dadaan lang ako ng konti. Yan. Okay, ito lang guys. Before that, share ko muna yung ating live. Guys, pa-share naman aking live right now. Okay. Okay, and let me share lang sa page ko to. I think it's a person. I can share this to my page. Oh. Give me 1 second lang guys. Oh, share ko lang guys natin. 1 second. Sorry. May pang walang mouse. May pang walang mouse. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Guys, okay, yun. There we go. So, good afternoon sa mga kaka-join lang. This is Big Superhero. Matagal nang bilag itong toy unboxing natin guys. Sobrang tagal na. And then, I got this Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger, si Billy Cranston. Okay. Fun fact guys, if you know Bryan Cranston, yung artist, diba? From Malcolm in the Middle, and of course siya si yung sana to, yung sa Breaking Bad. Sobrang in-invite siya, parang binase si Billy, no? Or yung last name ni Billy kay Bryan Cranston. And then Bryan Cranston had a chance to voice one of the Power Rangers villains. Hello Richie, oy, good afternoon, thank you for joining the stream, thank you. Ayan, so unbox na natin guys. Ayan. So again, I got this 2 months ago, hindi ako in-unbox. Sobrang busy sa work talaga. Okay, open natin. Okay, here we go. Yo. Okay. Yun. Okay, so before, medyo natin si Billy dito. Ayan. So we got of course yung kanyang unmasked or unmorphed head here. Ito lang guys, tapos konti yung ating camera. Adjust natin ng konti ng camera. Yeah. Kita nyo, hope you can see it. There you go. So we got Billy's head here. Okay, so ito napansin ko lang guys. Yung helmet niya, yan o, medyo fade dito sa visor area. But don't worry, I know someone who can fix this. So this is just another, nagkataon ako yung yung may quality issue, pero okay lang. Ayan, medyo yung kulay dito, you can see it, a bit lighter than the usual. But all in all, I like the design. So ito yung power blaster, of course. You got the power lance, the lance mode, and then pag hiniwalay niya, no, parang siyang mini lances, parang arnis, no, may pagka-arnis. And of course, you got the medyo trigger finger or open hands, and then you got the alternate na closed hands or closed fists, and you got the lightning. Ayan, kaya lightning edition siya kasi guys, meron siyang lightning effect. So kinakabit yan sa power lance. Ayan siya. Ano ba galagay ko? Okay. Tingnan lang dyan. Alright, so of course it's made from plastic, no? Si Billy. Alright. So again, this very rare na to guys, very rare lightning collection, Mighty Morphin Blue Ranger. Okay, let's go to details ng kanyang power buckle, power belt. Makita nyo guys, medyo kita nyo, no? Yan, zoom siya ng konti. Kita nyo yung Triceratops, of course, yung power coin nandyan. May lumabas ng figure arts, no? But that's actually for the Japanese version, yung Zoo Ranger. Pero maganda din siya. Yun ang difference ng figure sa kanang Lightning Collection, wala silang alternate head. Pero may lumabas na yung Super 7 edition ng Power Rangers. Medyo mahal siya ng konti guys, but mas marami siyang accessories actually. Yun ang kagandahan sa Super 7 eh. A bit expensive to the Lightning Collection ng Hasbro, pero napakarami yung accessories guys. Nakita ko na yung Power Rangers na Super 7 edition. Yan. Ito ba yan? Okay, baka masira ko yung lightning effects. Yan. Yun, I think I go. So let's go to dito yung head ni Billy. Okay siya, no? Okay siya like the TV show. Nakasmile pa si Billy dito. Yan. And the glasses, I think he's wearing, I think the first season, hindi ko kung gold frame glasses, pero he's wearing glasses diba sa first few seasons, no? The power blaster, I like it. Yung nga lang, gun mode siya, which you can put it on the holster. Saan nila yung blade mode, no? Yung isa pa mode dito. There are two modes of the power blaster, yung blaster mode and the blade mode or sword mode, no? But I think Super 7 has that. But I don't know, I'm considering Super 7 edition. Let me see kung kaya, kung magusto ko siya. Pero so far magandang reviews ng Super 7. Okay, so you can see meron siyang articulations. You can move the torso here, you can move his arms and biceps here. So wala pong yun ang nakita guys. Napansin ko lang when I open this. Medyo fade ng konti ng color dito, and then yung visor. Madali naman niyang i-ayos yung visor. So sa mouth, I will try to put more blue, a bit blue kasi medyo silver pa ng konti sa this area with this one. If you can see there. Ito nga diba? Yung helmet niya, the other parts, ayan yung Triceratops design. It's nice. And yeah, everything seems to be in order. Yun lang. Medyo dito sa visor lang. Yeah. Pero ganito lang guys. So yun. Abangan guys ha. This is really one of my upcoming projects. Toy photography projects. Siguro next month, starting next month. I'm not sure but abangan nyo guys yan ha. Kasi so itong project na to for my toy photography, this is one of my biggest projects ever. Matagal siyang plano na. And it's gonna be a reality soon, so abangan nyo guys yan. So that is for this toy unboxing. Hello sa mga team replay mamaya. So, abangan nyo next Friday guys for my next toy unboxing. Okay? So, this has been PJs na signing off. See you guys next Friday. See you. Bye!